You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of Arabic origin. This is a variant of the name spelled S-A-I-D, because obviously the Arabic spelling is different, so you could spell it this way too, meaning happy or patient or good luck. Saeed, how to pronounce in English. Arabic pronunciation, Saeed. Saeed, therefore in English the pronunciation is similar as Saeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.